How to set up the Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system. In this video, we'll guide you step-by-step setup of the Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to connect the Orbi router and satellites, how to complete the setup using a web browser, how to update the Orbi firmware, and how to fix common setup issues. Let's get started. Requirements before setup. Before starting the setup, make sure you have an active internet connection from your ISP modem, Orbi router and satellites, a computer or laptop, Ethernet cable and power supply. Once everything is ready, move to the setup process. Step 1. Connect the Orbi router. Take the Orbi main router. Turn off your modem. Connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to the internet port on the Orbi router. Turn on the modem and wait until it's fully online. Plug in the Orbi router and power it on. Wait for the Orbi router LED to turn solid white, which indicates it's ready. Step 2. Power on and place Orbi satellites. Now set up the Orbi satellites. Place satellites halfway between the router and low signal areas. Plug them into a power outlet. Turn them on and wait for the LED status. Blue light equals good connection. Amber light equals fair connection. Magenta light equals connection failed. If magenta appears, move the satellite closer to the router. Step 3. Set up Orbi using web browser. Connect your computer to the Orbi Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable. Open any web browser. Go to https://orbiwifilog.com. The Orbi setup wizard will open automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions, create your Wi-Fi network name and password, save the settings and wait for the setup to complete. Once finished, the Orbi router will restart and connect to the internet. Step 4. Log in to Orbi router. After setup, you can log in anytime to manage settings. Open a browser, https://orbiwifilog.com. Enter the admin username and password. Access the Orbi dashboard. From here, you can manage Wi-Fi, devices, and security settings. Step 5. Update Orbi firmware. Keeping firmware updated is very important. Log into the Orbi dashboard. Go to Advanced Firmware Update. Check for available updates. Install the update if available. Do not turn off the router during the update. Common Orbi setup issues and quick fixes. If you face any issues, try these fixes. Restart the modem and Orbi router. Make sure satellites are placed properly. Disable VPN or firewall during setup. Use a wired connection for setup if possible. Reset the Orbi router if setup fails repeatedly. Most issues get fixed using these steps. Final check after setup. Test Wi-Fi coverage in all rooms. Check internet speed. Confirm all satellites are connected. Your Orbi Mesh system is now ready to use. Your Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system has been successfully set up without using any app. If this video helped you, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're still facing any issues, comment below or mail us. We will fix your issue as soon as possible. For more Orbi login, setup, and troubleshooting guides, visit https://orbiwifilog.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.